Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my today's video important updates for Btrade Signal Pro and today's trading session results. And this is what today's video will be about. It will be a short video and I'll show you my today's trading results with the Btrade Signal Pro, and also I will share with you an important update for Btrade Signal Pro trading software. So stay here until the end to see what's all about, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, so as you can see, I got a haircut and I got a shave, and now I have to show you a trade. I just wanted to speak in rhymes. So an important update with Btrade Signal Pro. For those of you who don't know what Btrade Signal Pro is a semi-automated trading software which allows you to find the best signals in the market for both cryptocurrency and also global currencies and place the trades right in your broker account. So the simplest of this trading software is that you just push on a button and it will automatically place the trade in your broker account. So now the today's update is that if you are familiar with my videos and with my previous videos about Btrade Signal Pro, is that when you click on the trade button you couldn't see exactly if the software has placed the trade into the broker account. But now they made an update, and when you click on trade, it will redirect you right into your broker account and you can see exactly the particular trade that you have placed. So this is a big important update in my opinion, and it's good that they change it. And now I want to go to my broker account and to show you my today's trading session, because I didn't have time to record the entire live session. So I will update you with exactly the trade that I've been placing today. And this is my broker's account, and as you can see here on the down of the page, we have the trades that I've placed today. I have a total of 4 trades, and as you can see I have a profit of $324.23 profit, and from 4 trades placed, 1 trade is a losing trade and 3 trades are on profit. So we have around 88% winning ratio. So let's take each trading part. We have Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. It was a buy and open price of 83.429 and a close price of 83.4499. As you can see, the lot in volume is set at 1, and we have stop loss and take profit also set by the software. This is a good thing that Btrade Signal Pro, it's setting automatically for you. So even if you are a newbie trader, you don't have to mess with this stop loss, take profit, lot volume. This, according to your account balance, it will set the lot volume for you, and also the take profit and stop loss. As an advanced trader, you can leave the software to make these settings for you, to manage these settings for you. Okay, the second trade is Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. It was a buy, an open price of 140.132 and a close price of 140.253 and a profit of $111.13. The third one is GBP, Canadian dollar. It was a sell, an open price of 1.67913 and a close price of 1.67679 and $179.13 profit. And the last one, which was a losing trade, Australian dollar Japanese yen. It was a buy, an open price of 74.375 and the close price of 74.342, and it was a $30.31 loss. So as you can see, I manually closed this trade. This is a part of my strategy. You can wait and stop loss and take profit, take effect, but I don't want to wait when I'm feeling that the trading is going in the wrong direction, or as it happened with Australian dollar Japanese yen, I am manually closing the trades. And as you can see, this profit is generated in when it was created at 5:30 and it was closed on 5:33. 5:30 and 5:33. It's 20 minutes. So in less than 20 minutes I have generated an profit of 324.23 with the help of Btrade Signal Pro signals. So if you want to join this trading software, I'll put, for your convenience, I'll put the link below this video in the description area. And also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So that was the video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.